guys, welcome back to my channel. I am ready for this video because I've been waiting for this since they announced it. As you can tell, I am using the hair clips. I'm going to be doing a tutorial using the Powerpuff Girls and Colourpop collection. I am so excited. As you can tell, I am wearing a specific color, so you could just only imagine which collection of like the three that I got the Bubbles one. I had to get Bubbles because I remember watching these when I was a kid, and I'm pretty sure everyone that got this collection might say that, but I really do remember watching this as a kid, and it was just everything. And I always like felt more of a Bubbles type of girl. I am a crier. I am a little bit more sensitive, so I had to. I also bought my sister the Buttercup ones, the green one, but I already gave that one to her because I just needed to give it to her. It was for her. It wasn't really for me. I'm not going to wear them. But they were $5, just in case you guys were wondering. They were $5. I don't know if it's still available on their site. The last time I checked, they weren't sold out. But I don't know. So we're going to go in with this. I'm so excited, you guys. So if you guys are interested, make sure you guys are subscribed. And if you guys like some of my videos, make sure you guys subscribe. If you guys keep watching my videos, just join the little family. Make sure you guys subscribe and hit the bell notification to know when I post another video. So let's go ahead and get started. I will be entering some of the swatches here for you guys because I wanted to do them off camera. I don't want to be doing them on camera. I'm just going to show you guys pictures of how they look. I'm not really interested on the swatches for me. I'm more like how it works on the eye. I guess it just depends on the person. But for me, I'm more of like, I just like to go straight into my eyes and see how that works for me. So this is the palette right over here. And it looks like this. And then we also have the back area where all the names are at. So I like that a lot. I mean, I don't know if you can tell, but like right here, they have pink, blue, and green. But the inside of it is not necessarily pink, blue, or green. They just have that for the packaging. Of course, they have all the ingredients right here. I also got one of their blushes. I had to get this one. This one, it is the orange one, if you guys are interested. I didn't get the hot pink one because I'm not going to really use that one. If you guys see my videos, you guys know I like more of a peachy tone, corally color. So I got that. And then I also got, this is the Princess Morbucks color stick. This one is the Bubbles part. Like, this is the Bubbles collection. So what it means is like, this is not the collection, the bundle. This is the bundle. So you get the palette, a blush. No, not the blush. The blush I got separately. You get the palette, the color stick, and the hair clip. And that's why I got it, because I wanted the Bubble hair clips. I didn't get the glosses, you guys. I'm so sorry. I wanted to get the glosses, but I don't need necessarily 3 glosses. I just want one. And I wanted the Bubbles one, of course. But they didn't sell those individually, sadly. I wish they did, to be honest, because I would have bought one. But I didn't want to get the bundle. So I'm sorry, I don't have the gloss for you guys today. But I do have the palettes, the color stick, and one of the blushes. So let's just go ahead and get started. So I'm going to go ahead and take the palette out. I really like the packaging, you guys. The packaging is so pretty. And the palette looks like this. This is like perfect. Look at that mirror. You're going to see, I'm going to try to just cover my room. But like, look at the mirror right there. Well, I don't really care if you guys see my room, but you know, it's messy. From this side is clean, but this side is messy. And do you guys see what I mean? It doesn't have like necessarily blue, pink, and like all that straight colors. They're actually really different. And I love how you can see how this is very Bubbles, this is very Buttercup, very Blossom, and then you have our little random colors there, which I actually really like this color right over here. This is like my favorite one. I just think it's so pretty. And this one can actually work as a blush if you guys are like just getting the palette. And you can actually use that a little bit as a blush. Even this one, these two right here work perfectly for blushes. Or even blending it out towards the cheek, you know. So we're going to go ahead and see. I want to do a colorful one. I have to. And I do want to use most of the colors, these vibrant colors here. I am going to be using the ABH primer because it is that primer that's perfect to use when you're going to use color. So I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyes. Okay, so we are primed. And you guys, I just want to put like a little side note. I don't know if you guys, for those who watch my videos, you guys know my cat is always on my bed when I'm filming. She's always on my bed. She just likes being there, sleeping, being lazy. She's just so cute. And I feel like she kind of low-key likes the camera. So yeah, I just wanted to let you know that is Mia right behind me. So we're gonna go in with the palette. I'm so excited. I want to do something really colorful. I want to do all the colors mixed together, make it look very rainbowy but very Powerpuff Girl-y, you know, and blend the colors together. So I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I'm gonna do it. So I'm gonna go in with, I don't even know. Oh, I want to use a color stick. I want to use this color stick, but we're gonna go in with blue. You guys, this blue, so pretty. You know what? I'm going to be using this as my inspo. Do you guys see how the heart is very pink, blue, and green? So I'm going to be doing pink first onto the outer corner and just kind of blending and tapping that in a circular, kind of like a C-shaped motion. And so far I am loving the way this is blending. The pinks, obviously, is just stunning. I really, really like how that looks. So with a smaller brush that I had grabbed, it's very, very tiny. It's like a packer brush. And I'm going in and I'm going to be doing the inner corner and just kind of like blending that in. I didn't want to be too big. We're going to blend that in. Whatever I'm going to be doing from the outside eye, I'm going to be doing the inside inner corner. So we're just going to pack that pink in there. Now the next color, it is going to be blue. I want to tell you guys, the first color that I used was the Fashionistas, which is that pink shade. The blue one is called Rowdy Rough Boys. So I'm going to go in with the blue and I'm going to be packing that right next to the pink. And we're going to be really careful. We're going to just work slowly. Now the problem that we're going to have here, it is that the blue and the pink are going to blend. So it's going to try to make purple, but it's okay. That is the art of color, that they're going to mix and make beautiful colors. We're just going to continue packing that pink so we don't lose that pink. Now that I am done with the outer corner, I'm going to go do the same thing that I did to the outer corner and to the inner corner. I ended up using like a color switch thing to take off the pink out of this brush because I really like the way it gets in there. So I'm going to be using this one right here and then getting in and again just tapping and blending the blue shade with the pink. Now we're going to go in with the green shade, which is called Silico. I think it's Silico. I'm really bad at reading. So it's this green shade right here. And we're going to be using that shade and blending that and tapping it in with that blue. So now I'm going to go in with the same shade, Silico, and we're going to be using that for the inner corner. And remember, we're going to just tap it right next to the blue and then blend it out. You guys, I am like obsessed with how this is coming out. And let me tell you guys, it is blending beautifully. I'm not having any trouble. I feel like all of these colors blend very, very nice together. And it's looking really, really nice. I need to move my bangs so you guys can see how that's looking. But that looks really, really cute. Okay, you guys, I don't even know what to do here because I'm so obsessed. So I'm going to go in with the color stick because I really want to try it out. And I want to use this on my lower lash line. I have to because, like, come on, you guys, I have to use it on my lower lash line. So I'm going to use this. This is in the shade, I think it's just the Princess Moorbox Color 6. I'm assuming that's the shade of it. So I'm going to be using that. And I'm going to be using this on my lower lash line and just lining it up. Kind of connecting it with the blue out here. Oh, that is so pretty. That looks really, really nice. You guys see how that looks? Ooh, I love it. This blue looks so good. Like, obsessed. For the glitters, I've been playing around with it in my fingers because I'm like, I don't know which one I want to use. I'm going to be going in with the shade Townsville, which is this shade right here. I'm going to go in with this one right here. And I'm going to be just kind of like tapping it onto my lid. And you guys, this is so pretty. I still want to play with the other colors that I have here. It's so hard not to use, like, to not use all of them because honestly, they're all just so pretty. But that looks so, so nice. I think I'm going to pop that Girls Rock shade, which is this shade right here. I kind of want to put it on my inner corner just to kind of like incorporate it on my eye. So I'm going to go in with that Girls Rock, and I'm using this pencil brush. This is from like the e.l.f. Mint collection, and I'm going to just be popping it onto my eye. I know it looks crazy, you guys, but I feel like it really works together very nicely, all the colors. I love it. So what I'm going to be doing now, I'm going to be adding some mascara and lashes, and I'll be right back. Before I actually do that, I actually want to use the shade Super Friends here, this one right here, and I'm going to be adding that a little bit more to my eyelid because I feel like it's going to make it look like a little disco kind of like eye. You might not see how beautiful that shines, but I feel like the blue really makes it stand out even more. Do you guys see how that looks? That looks so nice. I love it. So I decided to skip on the lashes. Honestly, I just did mascara. So we're gonna go in with the blush here. This is the Saving the World blush, pressed powder blush. Pressed powder blush. I always say blush and brush. Always confusing. So this is so cute, you guys. Look how cute that looks. And we're gonna go ahead and open it. And like I said, it is that orangey tone I love. I'm gonna use a new brush here so we don't mix it in with that true pink that I've been using on my cheeks. And it looks like that. Picks it up. And we're going to apply it on. I really love the way this is looking. Like the color is perfect. Do you guys see that? Like, wow, that is really pretty. Okay, I think this is going to be my new favorite like blush. It is like the perfect color. The pan, it fits perfectly on the brush here, and it looks really nice. I love it, you guys. Like, this is so pretty. I actually highly recommend this one if you guys are more into like this kind of color of a blush. It is really pretty, and it was actually really affordable, you guys. Colourpop really did that. Like, this is actually really nice. Perfect. I actually like the palette too. So good. So now, since I didn't get the gloss, sorry you guys, I'm gonna be using this Lime Crime. This is a wet cherry gloss in mint cherry, and I'm liking it, and I'm using it because it's like the blue green, so bubbles and buttercup kind of vibes. So we're gonna just use this on the lips. And you guys, that is the final look. So let me know what you guys think of this collection down in the comments. What was your Powerpuff Girl? Like, who were you when you were young? Like, who did you relate to the most? And let me know why in the comments below so we could talk about it. And thank you guys so much for watching today's video. And if you guys are not subscribed, make sure you guys subscribe and hit that bell notification to know when I post another video. And if you guys are not following me on my Instagram, TikTok, or Twitter, go ahead and follow me there. And yeah, you guys, I'm so happy with this video. I'm so happy with the look. I haven't done something bold in so long like this. Like, it's actually really fun that I was able to do this. So I'm so happy I got this little collection, and now I actually have it with me. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you guys liked the video, make sure you guys give the video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time.